catch 'em all.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy J-Don here with another video. Today we're gonna be doing a bike reveal. So with the pandemic, it's been hard to get vehicles, whether it's trucks, cars, and yes, even motorcycles. So yeah, country's been closed, slowing production on vehicles. So this particular vehicle, we didn't know when it was coming in. The dealership didn't know. Put a deposit down on the bike, so it got here a few weeks ago. Had to order a part for it, just an upgrade. So we're gonna go take a look at the vehicle. Okay, so just behind this door here is the bike that brand new that we're gonna reveal to you. All right, so we're gonna look at the bike, see what bike it is. Here we go.